Hey everyone! Welcome back to Elegancepreneur channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and practical topic: how to start a house cleaning business in 2025. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or dreaming of running your own full-time business, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step 1. Research and plan your business. Before you grab your mop and bucket, take some time to research the cleaning industry. Ask yourself, who is your target market? Busy families, offices, Airbnb hosts? What services will you offer? Basic cleaning, deep cleaning, move-in/move-out cleaning? What will make your business stand out? Eco-friendly products, affordable pricing, or exceptional customer service? Write down your business plan, including your goals, budget, and pricing strategy. This will be your roadmap to success. Step 2. Get the right supplies and equipment. You don't need to break the bank to start, but investing in quality cleaning tools is a must. Here's a basic list: microfiber cloths and mops, all-purpose cleaners, glass cleaner and disinfectants, vacuum cleaner and broom, gloves and protective gear. Pro tip: if you're on a tight budget, start with the essentials and upgrade as you grow. And don't forget, eco-friendly products are a huge selling point in 2025. Step 3. Legally set up your business. This step is super important. Here's what you need to do. Choose a business name and check if it's available. Register your business as a sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. Get any required licenses or permits in your area. Purchase liability insurance to protect yourself and your clients. Don't skip this step. It's what keeps your business legit and professional. Step 4. Market your business. In 2025, marketing is all about being online and visible. Here's how to get started. Create social media accounts on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, and post before and after cleaning photos. Build a simple website or use platforms like Google My Business to list your services. Ask happy clients for reviews and referrals. Word of mouth is still powerful. Offer promotions for first-time customers to attract new clients. Pro tip: use hashtags like #housecleaningservices and #cleaningbusiness to reach local customers. Step 5. Start small and scale up. When you're just starting, focus on delivering exceptional service to a few clients. As you build your reputation and confidence, you can hire employees or subcontractors. Expand your services like carpet cleaning or window washing. Invest in better equipment or a company vehicle. Remember, every big cleaning business started with one client and one clean home. You've got this. And that's it. Starting a house cleaning business in 2025 is totally doable with the right plan and mindset. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more tips like these. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cleaning! Visual upbeat music, visuals of a clean home, and a subscribe button animation.